Hello friends, welcome to our channel and this video is in English language. But don't worry, मेरे जो इसके पहले जो वीडियो था ओवरकम स्टैमरिंग ब्लॉक्स का, वो अगर आप वीडियो देखेंगे और इस वीडियो को देखेंगे तो आपको इसमें बहुत सी सिमिलरिटी नज़र आएगी। तो बस नाम अलग है और भाषा अलग है, क्योंकि इंडिया के बाहर जो कुछ व्यूवर्स है उनमें से बहुत लोगों ने मुझे ये सजेस्ट किया था कि सर प्लीज़ मेक अ वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस यूर सेल्फ इन इंग्लिश। मतलब कि आप खुद का नाम, आप खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे कर सकेंगे लोगों के सामने। तो दोस्तों ये वीडियो को आप एंड तक देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं समझती है पर फिर भी आप मेरे एक्सप्रेशन से और आप मेरी इस भाषा से समझ जाएंगे कि मुझे क्या कहना है और मैं कौन सी टेक्निक की बात कर रहा हूँ। एंड ऑल द व्यूअर्स हु अंडरस्टैंड English language but not Hindi language, so I have a good news for you. Previously I have updated many video in Hindi language, but now I have updated most of the video with a English subtitle, so you have to just enable the subtitle options in YouTube video and you can understand all my video in Hindi also. Friends, I always try to motivate people and I always say that life is very simple, don't make it difficult. But you may have a question like how? For a stammerer, facing a real word and talking with an unknown person is very difficult, and the complex thing is while he or she introduce himself or herself. And today's topic is how to introduce yourself with a confidence and without stuttering. So guys, please watch this video till end, because I will share my some technique and tips that I use most of the time. It will definitely help you. This is the most common question and frequently asked question. So now you may have a question like frequently asked question, most common question. Is it a kind of any exam? Yes, this is an exam to overcome, manage, control your stuttering and stammering problem, and you have to pass this exam with full marks, 100% marks, and I will help you to pass this exam with full marks. Friends, my video will only help you when after watching my video you will practice it daily. Until and unless you will not practice it, it will not help you. And the second thing is, when you have any doubt or any question related to your stuttering problem, then please put it in a comment box so that I will get to know what is your exact problem in your stuttering. So if you have any doubt or question right now in your mind, then please pause this video and put your doubts in a comment box. So what is your name? Introduce yourself. This type of question is like a horror movie for you, and before converting this horror movie into a comedy movie for people, practice it. Practice daily, and how to practice it I will tell you now. My name is Ankush Pare and your name may be Michael, Simon, Lucy, Anna, Maria, Trump, Donald, Barack, Obama, Hillary, Clinton, Spider-Man, Ant-Man, Superman, Batman, Iron Man, Superwoman, or anything. When you introduce yourself in front of one person or hundred of people or thousand of people, just relax there. Take a deep breath and with a confident introduce yourself. Friends, if you still find it difficult to introduce yourself by using this technique, then don't worry, I have many technique also, so just stick with this video. I will tell you more technique. My second technique is try to have different variation in your introduction. For example, your name is Simon, so don't get angry if your name is not Simon. Then please put your name in a comment box so that I can use your name for my next video in a example. So your name is Simon. So you can use a variation like, hi, I am Simon. Hello, I am Simon. I am Simon. I am Simon. I am Simon. Myself, Simon. Friends, these are some variation when you introduce yourself. If you think like you will stutter on word like hi, I am Simon, then you can use sentence like myself Simon, or I am Simon, or I am Simon. So these are some variation you can use while introducing yourself. Friends, if you still having difficulty with a variation also, then I have a third technique, but I will not recommend you to use this technique frequently, because this technique when you will use in front of people in real world, and if you have a stuttering, normal stuttering, not a big stuttering, then people will think like you have some problem with you, because this technique you have to use when you have a very big stuttering problem. It means instead of not speaking anything, when you have to speak something, then you must use this technique, and the technique name is airflow technique. In this technique you have to take a deep breath, and while breathe out you have to speak your name or something. I will take an example. For example, I will take example Jim Carrey. I am Jim Carrey. If I want to say this word, say this sentence, I am Jim Carrey, then how I will speak it is like, I am Jim Carrey. I am Jim Carrey. I know when Jim Carrey will watch this video, then he will laugh a lot, but this is just an example. And when you see this, how I use this airflow technique, it seems like a very difficult for normal people or common people who don't stutter to accept this kind of things. So I recommend you this technique only when you have a big stuttering problem. So after these techniques, I have one more technique for you, and I think I must share this technique with you, because this technique having no relationship with the previous technique, but it will definitely help you in real world. A stutterer, for a stutterer, when he or she is with family or friends, then he or she is very comfortable there. They can speak fluently, or they can speak with a minimum stuttering problem over there. And for example, your name is Maria. You can take any name. You can take example for your name. I'm just taking an example of Maria. So your name is Maria, and you are having a very much problem in speaking a word Maria in front of people, when you introduce yourself. Then what you can do with your family, just ask them one question. I'm just taking this as an example, like, what if my name is not Maria and something else? What name you will suggest me? This is an example. So your friends and family will suggest you some name other than Maria, but you have to focus more on Maria name. Like, no, but Maria is a very good name. It has only 5 words, but what if my name is Shakira? Then Shakira is having 7 words. It's very lengthy, but Maria is a very good name. And see, I'm not explaining anything over there, but I'm trying to say that when you speak Maria, Maria, Maria many times, your confidence level increases, and when you go in front of people, unknown person, and when you want to introduce yourself, that time this will help you. If you have you can use any question, but try to have that your name you must use somewhere in a sentence with your family. You can use any example, and just focus on how you can use your name while speaking with other, so that this will definitely help you to increase your confidence level. So friends, hope you like this video, and I know that I have not yet covered so many things in one video, but many things are coming in next video. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you need any help from my side, then I have my email ID in the description box. You can also connect me on a Facebook. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.